In this video, we listed the 5 best portable treadmill that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. UREVO WALKINGPAD Treadmill. The UREVO treadmill is a versatile and innovative fitness solution designed for indoor use, particularly appealing to adults seeking a productive workout experience. This black treadmill features a compact design with dimensions of 57.7 inch x 11.3, WX 5.1 h and a lightweight construction of 75 pounds, making it easy to fold and store under a bed or sofa when not in use. It offers a 2-in-1 functionality, serving as both a traditional treadmill and an underdesk model, with a maximum speed of 7.6 miles per hour and a 3-level incline option, 5 to 9%, for varied workouts. Powered by a 2.5 HP silent motor, it supports a maximum load of 265 pounds and operates quietly, making it suitable for both home and office environments. The treadmill features an LED display for real-time tracking of speed, distance, time, calories, and incline, along with a remote control for convenience. Additionally, its shock-absorbing design, which includes 8 silicone points and a 5-layer non-slip running belt, ensures a comfortable workout while minimizing joint impact. UREVO also provides a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support for a reliable user experience. Number 2. Egofit Walker Pro. The Egofit Walker Pro M1 is a compact and innovative walking treadmill designed for both home and office use. Measuring just 38.39 inches in length and featuring a folding design, it is the world's smallest walking treadmill, making it easy to fit under adjustable standing desks. Weighing 48.5 pounds and constructed from durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, and a premium-grade steel frame, it can support users up to 242.5 pounds. With a maximum speed of 3.1 miles per hour and a fixed 5% ergonomic incline, the treadmill enhances workout intensity and calorie burning without the need for increased speed. Additional features include versatile controls with remote access and app connectivity for convenient tracking and operation, allowing users to maintain productivity while exercising. Number 3. WALKINGPAD Z1 Treadmill. The WALKINGPAD Z1 is a compact and foldable treadmill designed for low-impact exercise, making it an ideal choice for home office use or underdesk walking and jogging. With dimensions of 5.5 inch x 20.7, WX 57 h and a lightweight design of 23 kilograms, it easily transforms into a space-saving footprint of just 0.16 after use, complete with portable wheels for convenient storage. The treadmill features a powerful yet quiet 2.0 HP brushless motor that operates below 40 dB, ensuring a peaceful workout environment while maintaining energy efficiency. Its advanced 4-layer shock-absorbing and anti-slip running belt provides excellent stability and cushioning, promoting joint-friendly exercise. Users can track their fitness progress through an LED display that monitors speed, distance, time, and calories, while a remote control allows for customizable speed adjustments from 1 to 4.0 miles per hour, catering to various fitness levels and goals. Number 4. Exerpeutic 400-pound capacity treadmill. The 2-in-1 treadmill with handlebars by Exerpeutic is a versatile and compact fitness solution designed for home use, particularly suitable for those looking to integrate exercise into their work routine. Priced from $239, this foldable treadmill features a robust construction with a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds, making it ideal for various users. It can function as both a traditional treadmill with handlebars for a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour and as an underdesk treadmill with a maximum speed of 3 miles per hour, allowing for walking while working. The treadmill boasts a spacious non-slip belt measuring 43.5 inches by 16 inches for added comfort and is engineered for whisper-quiet operation, ensuring minimal disruption during use. Users can easily adjust speeds via remote control and choose from 6 preset workout programs, all without requiring assembly. Its sleek design, with dimensions of 53 inch x 24.4 WX 43 h, makes it a perfect addition to any home office, complemented by a large, easy-to-read LED display that tracks essential workout metrics. Number 5. OVICX Q2S Folding Portable Treadmill. The OVICX new fitness treadmill is a versatile and innovative indoor exercise machine designed for adults, featuring a robust stainless steel construction and a compact, foldable design for easy storage and transport. With dimensions of 64.96 inch dx 25.59, wx 44.88 h and a weight of 94.8 pounds, this treadmill offers a maximum speed of 9 miles per hour and an ultra-wide running belt measuring 17 inches by 50 inches, ensuring a comfortable and safe running experience. Unique features include intelligent speed reduction technology, which allows the treadmill to automatically slow down when the user feels fatigued, and the advanced, silkworm, shock absorption technology that protects the knees from injury during workouts. Additionally, users can track their fitness data through a Bluetooth app or an LED screen, making it a convenient choice for those looking to enhance their fitness routine at home.